Hello friends, I'm Yashish Jain. I'm here to share the journey of a young boy who came from a small town to reach India's best premier institute, IISc Bangalore. Currently in IISc, I'm pursuing my higher studies. This was my dream, and this dream come true because of choosing my career in STEM, science, technology, engineering and mathematics field. This was the best decision for the rest of my life, and I am the right person to tell about the excitement career in STEM. Yes, everyone wants to know that how was it possible for a young boy who came from a humble backgrounds to achieve a big thing? But this is possible. Okay, let me reveal my turning point. From the beginning, I was very fascinated by new technologies like drones, self-driving cars, artificial intelligence, etc. When I was at your age, one important incident was happened. That was Mars Orbiter Mission, also known as Mission Mangal. In 2013, India showed its tremendous, unique science and engineering technologies to the world and sent a message that India is never behind in science and technology. This event inspired me a lot to pursue my career in STEM. My bigger aim is to live in India as a developed country, and I firmly believe that this aim can be achieved by technology. My ideal is APJ Kalam. Friends, you know very well, he changed my science definition. Once he said that, as a young citizen of India, who armed with technology and love for my nation, I realized a small aim is a crime. So my dear friends, please keep your aim big. My aim is to bring back the past glory of India, where we had a Charak, father of medicine, Nalanda Vishwavidyalaya and Nobel laureates like C.V. Raman. I know it's very odd to hear that how can I achieve this impossible aim. But let me clarify you, if every young citizens like you decide to transform India as a Sone ki Chidiya, then I will definitely assure you that these golden days are waiting for us. So this is the perfect times where we can collectively achieve this aim through technology. I want you guys go and explore this STEM field. In coming future, I am very certain that among you will create bigger than Google in India. Yes, you heard correctly, and this is inevitable. Friends, I have talked a lot on STEM, but what is the real meaning of STEM? According to me, what I felt, STEM is the excitement of solving real world problems. It's the excitement of creating something that didn't exist before. It's the excitement of creating technologies and solutions that help us to do more, to be more, to achieve more and make everyone's life easier. This is very important. And even with the awesome possibilities that a career in STEM, unlock the treasures in you, unlock the hidden talents in you, and tomorrow's undiscovered superpowers. Thank you.